Okay, for this question, we need to simplify this algebraic fraction. So, in fact, it is just the same as number. You see the number, you cancel them out. You see 2a, we cancel them out. Divided both the numerator and the denominator by a. Then at the end, we can simplify the fraction. So for question 3, so we have for number, so the technique is you can simplify it one by one. For number, we got 3. For a, at the top it is square, at the bottom you see 6. So what's that mean? If you really write it out, for a squared it is equal to a times a. For a to the power 6, it means a multiply, not 6, multiply a multiply a multiply a multiply a multiply a. 6a together. So a multiply itself for 6 times. So it is not something rocket science, it is just multiplication, and we can cancel them out one by one. So at the end you will see, oh, there is 4 remaining at the bottom. So that is, in fact, if you remember in Form 1, it is something called law of index. And if you really recall that memory, you can find the difference of their index, and then you can calculate the answer. Or you can think in your mind like this: there is 6a at the bottom, 2a at the top. You cancel them, 2 of them, you cancel them out, so 4 remaining at the bottom. So cancel out this, and then 4 remaining. And then, so the same for b, cancel out 4 of them, so 3 at the top. So at the end you look at the denominator, no number, no a, but b to the power 3. And then at the bottom we have 3 and a to the power 4. And that's it for the answer. Okay, and then question 5. For question 5, let me copy the question. For question 5, oops, okay, like this. We have 2 brackets, 5 plus xc and xc plus 5. And in fact they are the same. For addition, subtraction, we can change the order. Even subtraction, a minus b, it means positive a plus b minus b, or you can change that to minus b plus positive a. So we can change the order of addition and subtraction, and you can still get the same answer. You can think about that with number. Minus 3 first plus 5, you can still get 2. So here, you know, these 2 brackets are the same, even though you don't know the value for x, but we know they are the same, so we can cancel them out. So very simple, at the end, 3 over x. And then for question 7, we need to do a little bit things for it. At the bottom, if you can see that, there is common factor. 4 is the common factor for 4a and 8b. So we can factorize 4, and you will have this at the bottom. So just copy the denominator. And after you factorize 4, then all the things here, 2 over 4 multiply this bracket, all the things are now multiplication or division. And in fact, multiplication and division at the back, it is just the same thing. So we can cancel them out. We can cancel out, and the remaining thing is 2. And at the top, so the answer is now 2 multiply this bracket. And don't forget, at the top, even though we cancel out the 2 here, it doesn't mean there is nothing. It means there is still 1 remaining at the top, at the denominator part. And this will be the answer.